right, here we are looking at example 2 in Algebra 3-4 notes. Given a triangle with an area of 15 square inches, a height of 12 inches, and a base represented by the expression 8 less than triple the amount of x, find the value of x. Okay, so first off, I'm noticing that they're just asking me to find x, not like the first example where I had to go back and use x to find something. Second thing that's jumping out at me is that we're dealing with a triangle, and we're talking about the area of that triangle. So I do have a triangle drawn because we're talking about a triangle. And in my head, I'm either going up and I'm looking what the area formula for a triangle is, or I'm knowing that the area formula for a triangle is 1/2 base times height. All right, so they're telling me that the triangle's area is 15 square inches, which means A equals 15. So in for A, I'm putting 15. My 1/2 is just a number, so that's just going to stay as 1/2, but I am going to put it in parentheses so we don't get confused about the operation going on here. So now they tell us in the problem that we have a height that's 12 inches. So I'm just going to put the height is 12 inches. My area or inside is equal to 15 inches squared. And so the height is 12, so the height can go in for the height. Oops. And then the base, 8 less than triple the amount of x. 8 less than triple the amount of x. So that 8 less, that has to come at the end because remember, minus 8's at the end. Triple the amount of x would be times 3. So 3x minus 8 is what's going in for my base. Three x minus 8. All right, so now I've got some simplifying to do here. The first thing jumping out at you might be to do that 1/2 times 12, and that hopefully will make things easier. 1/2 times 12 is 6. And then I'm just going to carry down that 3x minus 8. Then it's very obvious to me that we need to do some distribution because we've got that number hanging outside of the parentheses there. So carry down my 15. 6 times 3 is 18x because it's 3x. And 6 times 8 is negative 48. And again, you should be using a calculator here to make sure that you're getting this math correct. You should be using a calculator anytime you're doing math. So now I'm just isolating using inverse operations here. The opposite of negative 48 is to add 48 to both sides. 5, 8, that's 13. 4, 5, 6. So 63 is equal to 18x. Divide by 18, divide by 18. We end up with x equals, I don't know. Let's math it. 63 divided by 18. Oh, it's going to be, there we go. I didn't know that was at 3.5. Okay, and now again, just going back and double checking that we did answer the question. This was asking me to find the value of x, and I did find the value of x. The value of x is 3.5. All right, make sure you use your calculator and look formulas up.